So SAP means system applications and product in data processing. Uh, Next FICO. FICO means financial accounting and controlling area. First
Okay.
one, what is SAP? So here SAP is a combination of two parts like FICO, like financial accounting and controlling part. Both together combine SAP. Like this one is like an ERP products, means like previously we have versions. Like normally we have versions like 4.6, 4.7. Those are ERP servers. Present we are using like ECC 6.0 we are using presently, and VMware is the main version we'll use.
Sorry, what did you say about VMware is the main version?
Like example we'll have like WhatsApp, ma'am. Like that
Hmm.
we have the tab. Means VMware means whatever the server we'll use, here you can see VMware Workstation Pro.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is the app. Means this is the server we'll use.
Okay. But the server will be same for all the companies, right?
Yeah, same.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Next, SAP FICO, it is a combination of two mutually related components. So SAP deals with overall financial accounting and reporting. Means like here we'll use like all the things. Financial accounting means all the organizational structure we'll have. Company will create the company code, business area and all we'll do here. And all the reportings what we need for the company we'll do. A reporting means here we'll monitor only about cost centers and planning what we need. Next tagline of SAP FICO, it is used to manage the business operations and customer relations. So here we'll develop the relation with the customer. Means to know all about, means we should do all the business transactions what the customer needs, or for the company what we must do. The company is especially known for its enterprise resource planning software. Previously I said no, the company will use for enterprise ERP software solution.
Hmm. Yeah.
Basically this was started in German company by the market for the capitalization. Brief about SAP. It allows an organization to store the complete financial data. Like whatever the financial data we have, we'll store in this. Like here we'll use only like the company code. Means we'll have only the code. Whatever the company we are doing, all the organization, means whatever the details or whatever the reports we are doing, we will store that in one code. Like we'll have, it must be only 4 digits. It may be two alphabets, or it may be two numbers, or it may be numeric also. It may be, but it should be only on 4 digits.
Okay.
Next, objective. It is mainly responsible for designing, building, and deploying SAP-based ERP solutions. Here, uh, we will use For deploying SAP based ERP solutions means here we'll use all the solutions, or if we get any error, here in SAP we have two types. Like one is SAP analyst and the other is end user. Here analyst means the analyst job is only particular things they'll do. Like anything, only one thing they'll do. Like AR, account receivable, account payable, creation of GL entries. Only particular parts they'll do.
Mm-hmm.
Coming to end user means he need to do all the process. Like
Mm.
whatever we'll discuss further, all the parts the end user should do.
Okay. I have a question here. SAP FICO consultant is mainly responsible for designing something is mentioned here, right? This SAP FICO consultant is end user or he will be SAP analyst?
End user, ma'am.
SAP FICO consultant is nothing but end user, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Testing, and here also it is written as in close cooperation with the client's finance team, conducting structured testing internally and with users. Testing means okay, ensuring stabilization of the solution. Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
So next, what is the role of SAP? As a consultant or analyst or anything, what is the role? Here
Mhm.
we be responsible for configuring GL ledger accounting, like general ledger accounting, cost calculation, cost analysis, account payable, account receivable, asset accounting, and bank accounting. All these things we'll do here.
Mhm.
And next, further we'll discuss about topics in FI.
Mhm.
These are the main topics we'll discuss. Like organizational structure. Here, organizational structure means we'll get like a company, creation of a company,
Mhm.
creation of company code, business area, consolidation business area, chart of accounts, account groups, and all will create here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Next, creation of journal ledger accounting,
Mhm.
document splitting, and these all the topics we'll discuss. Recurring document, park and hold document, interest calculation, account
Mhm.
payable, account receivable, dunning procedure.
Mhm. What do you mean by dunning procedure?
Uh, Ma'am, here dunning procedure means like example will take
Mhm.
to the bank will take the loan.
Mhm.
Example, if I take the loan from the bank,
Mhm.
uh, the customer is not paying the loan. Like we'll have EMIs, right? I'm not
Mhm.
paying the EMIs for 2 to 3 months.
Mhm.
The person who is doing the SAP worker
Mhm.
send messages to me. Like example, the bank person is there. The
Mhm.
bank person need to send messages to me, messages or calls to me.
Mhm.
For every month, he should go to this and means he should send me the message.
Mhm.
Here we'll give the maximum limit.
Mhm.
Why we are giving the maximum limit means directly the system will indicate to the person. Means system will directly send the messages.
Okay, that is automative, right? Automatic.
Yeah. Like
Oh,
7 times or 8 times we are given. Those many times the system only directly will send.
okay, okay. Mhm. Okay.
Next here tax procedure, house bank, withholding
Like,
tax.
Yeah, one second. For dunning procedure will applicable for if any AR follow-ups, vendor payment if we forgot to pay for that also we can take means it will be helpful.
No, ma'am, that is different.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah.
If we did not pay, like you're asking account payable or anything, there only after going to next step, it will indicate you did not pay so and so things.
Mm-hmm. Okay. For AR, actually, like we will send a reminder, right, for our customers if they didn't,
Yeah.
if the customer didn't pay on the time, right time, then automatically that function also it can work. Whether it will work for this also, I just wanted to know. That's why I asked.
Means which one you're asking, ma'am, for dunning procedure?
Yeah, for dunning procedure.
No, ma'am, that is different and this is different.
Okay, okay.
Here
Yeah,
next
ma'am.
topics: tax procedure, house buying, withholding tax, GST, cash journal, BRS, asset accounting, account automatic payment program, foreign currency, validation and substitution. These are the topics we have, main topics.
Okay. Ma'am, actually, I have done accounts payable and accounts receivable. Okay. Some of the things like withholding tax and tax procedures, foreign currency, and all, I'm not that much familiar. Okay. While giving a training, in course duration, will it be briefly explained what it is, how it will be used in any companies like foreign currency and all?
Yes, ma'am, I'll explain.
Okay. Even validation and substitution also. I did. Sorry, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah, today only demo session, no? That's why I'm giving the brief explanation.
Yeah. I
Because
got to know. Yeah. I got to know. But yeah, just I wanted to make it clear. Like while course time, it can be completed, right? I just
yes, yes.
okay.
Topics in CO,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, controlling cost element. These are mostly linked up with FI.
Mm-hmm.
These all topics mostly linked up with FI. Some parts, some points will be linked up.
Mm-hmm.
Controlling part is linked up with FI.
Mm-hmm.
Here, non-leading ledgers is linked up with the account receivable and account payable.
Mm-hmm.
These two topics are linked up mostly.
Mm-hmm.
Here, cost center and profit center is linked up with asset accounting. Here, asset
Mm-hmm.
cycle and distribution cycle is linked up with automatic payment program.
Mm-hmm. Okay.